Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. A warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today we are going to cook with fruits. As you can see, I have a lot of fruits here. We are going to use green apple. Normally we make desserts with green apple because they are sour. No, you cannot enjoy them like a fruit. But my family is not very fond of desserts. So I'm going to make a savory dish with this apple. So it's monsoon season. What can be better than rasam? So I'm making green apple rasam. I'm sure you're going to really like this recipe and give it a try also and share your feedback with me. So let's proceed and make green apple rasam. To make the apple rasam, I have taken 2 green apples. One I'm going to cut it into small pieces, and the second one I'll be making puree. Here we have toor dal, cooked toor dal, about 1 small bowl full. Some coriander leaves, and tamarind extract is optional. We'll be using only if the apples are not too sour. Oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Tempering ingredients, I've taken cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, few curry leaves, 1 dry red chilli broken, 1/8 teaspoon of Asafoetida. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder about 1/4 teaspoon, and rasam powder 2 teaspoons or as required. For your reference, the ingredients list is also shared in the description box. You can check it out. Now let's begin. First we'll heat oil in a pan. About 2 tablespoons is sufficient. Add the tempering ingredients and we'll let them crackle. Normally we add them in the end, but in this recipe we add the tempering in the beginning because we are going to cook the apple with it so that all the flavors are infused. Add the diced apple first and saute it. You can peel the apple or you can leave the skin on for roughage. Saute them for about a minute or so until you see the color is changing. Now we can add little water and simmer it. Let the apple pieces cook. While they are simmering, the flavors will all be infused into the apple pieces. Now in case if you don't like having bits of apple pieces in the rasam, you can skip this step and straight away start with the puree, which I am going to add now. You can add this puree to the tempering and make your rasam in a jiffy. It will also save some time. Now after adding the puree, add the pre-cooked toor dal, about 2-3 ladles full as you desire. I like my rasam to be little thicker, so I added the entire bowl full. Add some water to dilute the rasam. This also depends on your preference, how thick or thin you want. I added about 1.5 cups. Give it a nice stir. Now we'll let it come to a boil. Add salt to taste. Little bit of turmeric powder, don't add too much. Don't make the rasam too yellow because this is green apple rasam, let it be lighter in color. Rasam powder 2 teaspoons. This is homemade rasam powder. Homemade always is very flavorful. You can check out the recipe link in the description box. Now stir and let it boil. This unique rasam recipe is a must try for everyone. It's really very flavorful. I love making varieties of rasams. Especially in the monsoon, you'll enjoy it. Add coriander leaves. Now check the taste. Little bit of salt is required. But the sourness is perfect. I added a bit of salt, but I'll not add the tamarind extract. It's not required. Apples are sour enough. Rasam is ready. You can enjoy it like a soup also by itself, or you can serve it with plain rice. On the side you can make some stir-fried poriyal. I've made red cabbage poriyal today. So dear friends, do give it a try, make this rasam and enjoy, and share your feedback also. Reading all your comments really make me happy. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos also from my collection. Have a nice day. Happy cooking.